Boy, I'm all discombobulated. I'm gonna do a feature road today. I don't think I ever done a feature road. I might have, and I don't remember. I just gotta find it. It's called Brushy Mountain Road. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. Run that intro. Welcome back. Here we are. This is Brushy Mountain Road. I don't know nothing about it. I know a lot about it. It's a pretty new road. I've been out for a couple of years now. But it's also, it says no trucks on it. It's got a lot of curves, nice sweepers. Probably won't be a good day to ride it. Speed limit's 35 miles an hour. That shouldn't be no problem making that. I'll tell you how long it is when we get to the other end. Sit back and enjoy the video. I could time lapse it. You know what I mean? They might be out here deer hunting. I'm Winnie the Pooh. I'm a ticker. Alright. Ticker. Alright. Well, there's gonna be a lot of scrapey on it. First time being back on a good road to scrape like that. I'm scraping so hard, I'm a leaning forward. When you get to the railroad tracks, you've been almost to the end. Haswell city limits. I should have looked, see how many miles it was. Oh well. I think it's like maybe 5 or 6. I don't think it's that long. There's a bump on it. The road's a little damp. It ain't got a lot of sunlight on it. Cold tires, cold wheel, damp road. Gotta be at least on the road. At least it ain't nice strong. Big devil, nice rock. I should go back the other way and see how long it is. Check my mileage. Winery. Wine. I think it's a winery. I think they just grow wine. Come around there, high strong. We getting close to the end of it right now because come the railroad tracks. So all the port lights hang out right down here. When they making their runs, they all park down here at the railroad tracks. Bumpy, bumpy. More patrol. Hey, bumpy. Yeah, this part got a lot of pine straw right in the curves. Right, you don't want to come around on. Anyway, we almost to the end. So that's the end of that's my feature road of Bass. We over in Baswell, but this is Brushy Mountain Road. Hope you enjoyed it. GoPro stop recording. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed Brushy Mountain Road. Now we back on Baswell Mountain Road, which is still a pretty good road. It runs all the way from Dallas, Georgia, kind of off of 62, 61, I think. Something like that, 92, I don't remember. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed my feature road. That's something new, I guess. I'll try it out. This is the big town of Baswell right here. Got a police station and a convenience store. And maybe a church. Ice cold beer. Beer. Downtown Hatch. Got a bar. All police cars. Ooh. American flags. Ooh. When did American flags become racist? Got an American flag, you're racist. Come on, people. Love it or leave it. That's all I gotta say. Anyway, and don't be so offensive about every offensive thing. Yeah, whatever. I quit preaching. Get to the ending. Tigger. I said Winnie the Pooh earlier, but it's Tigger, ain't it? I was bouncy. Oh, me. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you later.